Today's lesson is on prepositions versus adverbs, and it can be found in CS number 96. Often, the same word can be used as both a preposition and an adverb. To tell the difference, the easiest example is to tell where it's being used. So if it's introducing a phrase, it's often a preposition, and if it's used on its own, it's usually an adverb. So I'll give you some examples to show what this means. If we look at these two sentences, Franco slept in and Franco slept in the spare bedroom, they both start with the same subject and the same verb. Now after this, we just have in by itself, so that is probably going to be our adverb because it's also modifying that verb slept. Whereas in the spare bedroom is a whole phrase, and it's telling you where he slept. So this would actually be a prepositional adverb phrase, but we can just call this one the preposition because it's beginning the phrase. A second pair of sentences is using the word down. So in the first example, she fell down. This is on its own, so it would be an adverb, but she fell down the stairs. Down is the first word in the phrase, so it is a preposition. And we could see that down and then the stairs is the object that it is modifying. For part A, they're going to give you a pair of sentences. So he heard the people below and he heard the people below the stairs. Your job is to underline the one word that could be used as either a preposition or an adverb in this sentence. So, in both sentences, he heard the people below and he heard the people below the stairs. So we'll underline that in both words, and then on the line below it, you write whether it is a preposition or adverb. So he heard the people below. Below is by itself, so that means it is the adverb. Whereas he heard the people below the stairs is the beginning of a phrase below the stairs. So this would be the preposition. For part B, they're going to give you a sequence of words that could be prepositions or adverbs, and your job is to write two sentences. The first uses it as a preposition, and the second uses it as an adverb. So I could start with the word outside. For the first sentence, to use outside as a preposition, I could say Amanda set up her tent outside her house. So outside would be the beginning of our preposition phrase. By removing the last two words, I can now use it as an adverb because it has no phrase attached to it. Amanda set up her tent outside. When you finished page 120, you can go and fill out the Google form on the Google assignment. And remember, you can always ask me if you need any help.